Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Fitbit Luxe to an Android phone. First, make sure your Luxe has at least 50% battery life. Next, head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device and download the official Fitbit application. Once installed, navigate to your phone settings and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, open the Fitbit app on your Android phone. You'll need to log into your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture, usually located in the top left corner. From there, select Set up a device and choose Luxe from the available options. The app will then guide you through the remaining pairing steps. During the pairing process, a unique 4-digit code will display on your Fitbit Luxe's screen. Carefully enter this code into the prompt on your Android phone. After confirming the pairing request, the Fitbit app will take a moment to complete any essential updates and synchronize your data. Once finished, your Luxe should display the correct time and begin automatically syncing your activity information. If you encounter any issues during pairing, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Fitbit Luxe and Android phone often resolves many problems. Also, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are currently connected to your phone, as this can interfere. If problems persist, try clearing the Fitbit app's cache and data through your phone settings. Finally, keep your phone and Luxe within a close range, ideally about 10 feet, for optimal connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.